last video covered the data entry process using this short questionnaire as our example. We'd reached the point where we had a large enough number of responses, so we're keen to start to analyse the results. The main way to do this is by using an Excel function called pivot tables. To set up a pivot table, you need to click Insert in the menu at the top of the page, followed by Pivot Table. You'll then be presented with this box. Excel identifies the range of cells containing your data. You just need to click OK to make this happen. So here we have the pivot table tool. On the right of the screen is your field list, where each of your questions are listed. We start by looking at question 1, results regarding overall satisfaction levels. To create our table, we drag Q1 into the rows box, and as we want to show the results from Q1, we drag that into the values box too. Next, we click on our value and select value field settings. This box will appear and we need to change it from the default sum to count, then click OK. So there we have it. Our table gives us a count of how many respondents gave each of the answer options. The row labels give the codes we input. For example, 5 means very satisfied. These are the raw counts of respondents giving each answer option, but it can be more useful to go back into your value field settings and change these so that the values are shown as percentages of the column total instead. The percentages appear with 2 decimal points, but this can be tidied up by adjusting the Excel settings if you want to. So that provides you with the results of the survey for one question across all respondents, but you may want to dig deeper and look at the results by different groups of respondents. To do this, you can use the filter function. So for example, you can compare the results provided by men and women by dragging the relevant question into the filter box. Question 3, gender, then appears at the top of your table, and you can click into this to choose which group you want to see the results for. Another way to get more details is to cross-tabulate the results to one question with responses to another. You can do this by dragging the question you'd like to cross-tabulate the results against into the columns box. So in this example, we've done this with the question on place of residence, giving us a table which compares the satisfaction levels of people living in Aberdeenshire, the column headed 1, with people living in different places in other columns. Next, to create a chart of our satisfaction results in Word or PowerPoint, we just click Insert and then Chart. Lots of chart types are available, but for this one we'll use a vertical bar chart. When you select this option, it appears with some dummy data, labels and headings already included. You need to replace these with our survey data and labels. Start by typing in your answer options. We only need one column of data for this chart, so we will delete the unused ones. We then take our survey results from the Excel pivot table and input them into our chart in Word or PowerPoint if that's what you're using. You can do this manually, or if you prefer, you could cut and paste from one application to the other. So type in your heading, then each value, remembering the percentage sign. And once you've done all of this, your chart's created, and of course you can create customized colors and make the look and feel look better, suiting your brand if you wish.